I'm Tiffany Selly, and I'm with AmeriCorps. I have known about Sight and Sound ever since 2008 when I was a student. Now I am working for AmeriCorps with the program.
My name is Destiny Lewis, and I am a AmeriCorps member with the Sight and Sound program. I was in the Sight and Sound program in 2007. I came back to work as a student instructor last summer, 2008, and this summer, 2009, I am an AmeriCorps member.
We had multiple careers showcased, such as we had an intern from BC Workshop, the founder of Project Still I Rise, a That Is More Than News photographer, Dunn Dorman from DART, and a journalism teacher that was a former journalist.
The purpose of the 2009 Symposium, we had 3 different objectives. The first objective was to help students to gain knowledge about the different careers that we brought in, and the second was to allow the students to gain future resources.
Doing the Congo street process and talks about how they're fixing houses, and I did my movie on houses and their foundations.
And the third was to invite the guests to participate in the community service activity that we're planning for the students.
Because this is the first time that we're actually going to initiate a volunteer project and actually go out and do it this year as a unit.
Getting to do it, and it's meaningful to them.
I split us up into smaller groups, but break us up into different houses in the community.
So the program's gonna last for 5 hours. So you have an hour and a half in each circle. So in one day, you could learn all 3.
Afraid to race them at first?
I was kind
Kind of nervous?
of, I got victory.
You got a victory.
Show us your victory dance.
Victory dance, everybody.